Hi everyone, it's Miss Emily. You can find me in the Jericho and Comac offices, and welcome back to another Therapy Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can use scavenger hunts to target so many speech and language goals. It is such a fun and engaging activity that you can do with your kids. I like setting up scavenger hunts in my office around the holidays. That way you have an overarching theme to work on. So I'm going to talk about the first use of a scavenger hunt to target speech and language goals. The most obvious is probably vocabulary. So I love using scavenger hunts within a theme. That way the vocabulary used is relevant, it can be connected, and it's meaningful. With St. Patrick's Day just around the corner, I'm going to be using that as my example for my scavenger hunt theme today. It's easy to find ways to expand on those single word labels that you have around the room in your scavenger hunt. And you can work on language expansion by having your child say, "I found the pot of gold on the table," or "Where is the leprechaun?" Setting up a scavenger hunt creates a natural context for you to work on so many basic concepts. For example, you can work on spatial concepts where you can have the child say, "I found the leprechaun on the table," or "I found the rainbow under the table." Another language goal that can be targeted is comparing and contrasting. So after the child has found all of the different pictures that you have hidden around the room, you can ask them how each one is compared and how they can contrast each one. Making inferences is a goal that can be targeted very easily with scavenger hunts. As you're giving the children clues, you can have them really use those clues to make inferences about where they think the pictures or the little items that you've hidden are around the room. You can also target pragmatic language skills during this activity by having the child ask further questions, engage, talk to you about what they see, etc. The next speech goal I'm going to be talking about is articulation. So of course you can hide, depending on the child's articulation goals, you can hide their target words at the word level, at the phrase level, at the sentence level. You could even target different sounds in isolation by just printing out different sounds or different words on the picture cards that you're hiding around your room. Scavenger hunts also provide a semi-structured activity for patients or children to practice just their overall intelligibility skills or even fluency strategies that they may be working on. During just the flow of conversation, they can be working on nice deep breathing for fluency or even fluent sentences using some of the techniques that they've been working on. So it's very easy to set up the scavenger hunt. I just take certain pictures that I would like to use for that scavenger hunt and put them on a Word document, print them out, cut them out, and hide them around the room. And then I have a list of questions based on the child's speech and language goals that I'm working on in order to target those goals. I hope you all try out this fun and engaging activity, and thank you so much for watching this week's Therapy Tip Tuesday. I will see you next week.